Hey, what's up, guys? This is Delio coming to you with another video talking about the Glitch 2 plugin. Glitch was one of my favorite plugins, and I hate to hear the news about I believe the creator of the plugin. I don't know much, but I just wanted to recognize Kieran Foster for the plugin that he made or played a part in. I don't have the full details. I'm gonna put the link in the description below to check out the memorial. But now Glitch 2 is now free. Just found out about this and I wanted to spread the word on this. And there is a PC version, there is a Mac version. I love this plugin to use tape stops, some effects, all kinds of cool stuff to just kind of add some crazy freakouts to your beats. Though I think it was originally meant for like techno and electronic, I wanted to take it and kind of apply it to like R&B music, and always thought it was pretty cool. So definitely take some time to check out the memorial. Head to the website and check out Glitch 2. Download the version for whatever system you need. They got it for Windows, they got it for Mac, they got it for Linux, they got a user guide there. They got all these change logs here. So there's a lot of good stuff here to check out. I think it's something cool to add to your repertoire. Glitch is a dope plugin, and it's been made free in memory of its creator, Kieran Foster. So make sure you go check it out, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe as we check out more plugins, more different things like that. Y'all be easy. Peace.